Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, the topic is going to be over Canvas and creating a module within a course that we designed earlier on. So first off, you want to log into your dashboard, and as you see, I'm already logged in. Then you want to click on your course. It'll be the first up, and after it loads, you'll see where, look down the side, it's making a course is not here, so to create a module is right underneath view progress. So click on module, we're going to name it Canvas 1, then we'll add module. After that, if you want to, you can drop down. You see drops that add here to add module or choose files. You can upload a file later on, which we will do later on. And that is the easiest way to create a module right here on Canvas itself. And thank you very much, and I hope everyone has a nice day.